the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Okay, so today, guys, we're going to be doing meme sounds with Colin.
I don't want to do it.
Okay, he does not want to do it. We are going to be doing meme sounds today, so prepare your ears because they might be loud. Okay, gonna start now. Nice. Okay, now let's do this one.
We do not care.
We're doing that one. We just did that one. Okay, now let's do this one. Yep, that's the one we're gonna use to stop the memes if they go on for too long. Okay. The Vine boom, like, bro, that's literally like, I just made like a surprise face right now. The go meme.
Down in Ohio, swag like Ohio. Down in Ohio.
Yep. Okay, well that's a swag like Ohio.
Bruh.
Goofy all sounds. Are you ready?
Bruh.
Bro, meme. We literally just did that one. And now we're gonna do this one. That a baby one. Okay, now we're gonna do lore.
When I was 10 years old.
Okay, now we're gonna do Quandaily Stingle.
When I was 10 years old, my goofy uncle tried to get me to touch his weenie doodle. My mom caught him and beat him with a pan. I created an explosive bomb and put it in my sister's lunchbox and blew her to smithereens.
What was that? Bro, that was kinda sus. Colin, I thought you weren't in this video. Okay, now we're gonna do the Bill Nye theme song.
Bill Nye the science guy. Bill Nye the science guy. Bill Nye the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye the science guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the science guy.
That was the Bill Nye theme song. Now we're gonna do I Live with Roaches.
I live with roaches, about 10 of them. We now close friends, couldn't get rid of them. Let me see your feet, I'ma tickle them. I'm eating red meat, sprinkled with cinnamon. I don't wear Timberlands, got the new rubber duckies, I be killing them. She gave me her hand, I licked on her palm right, I'm a gentleman. My love is genuine.
Wow, what the heck was that? Okay, this one says Fortnite default dance. Fortnite default dance. Goofy all laugh, okay. Did you guys hear that? It's that one. It was that one. Okay, now we're gonna do Tate. Okay. It's a song.
That was kind of sus.
Colin, you're not in this video. That was just a song, I guess. Ooh, I like your cut, G.
Oh, you playing Minecraft? I like your cut, G.
Okay, turn up volume. Okay, we'll do that. They told us to turn up the volume, so we did that, and it was way loud.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Okay. How doing Rick roll? Rick roll. Yep. Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Okay, that's just what it says. Sickle mode. Goofy condo thing. Okay.
I put bug spray in my little brother Quavante Zingleton's eye. What? I smacked my sister that has Tourette's because she called me a bad word. Ow! My goofy uncle karate chopped my grandpa's broken knee, and he got turned into a pretzel.
Wow. Okay. Wet fart meme. Okay. Kahoot. Yep, that was the Kahoot.
Sin City wasn't made, yeah. Angels like you.
Stop doing sound, Colin.
Why?
Because I'm trying to do a video. Idiot. God. I literally just asked you nicely earlier. Sorry about that, guys. He just did sound even though we're trying to do a sound video.
Emotional damage.
Okay.
Yo, swag like Ohio.
What was that? I don't know. I'll just go back.
Helicopter, helicopter. Paracofer, paracofer.
There we go. Okay.
And his name is John C.
The lock will break with just a little force. If you pull it on a
His name is Johnson.
Let's go. Can I put my balls in your jaw? Your
Wow.
jaw.
That's inappropriate.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay, skeleton on a fan. Bop. Skeleton on a fan. What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
Wow. Load more. Okay, so sadly, we're not going to be doing this, but I might do it. I might do it in the next video.
What did he say?
Yeah, we might do it in the next video. All right, see you guys later.